6 ways aliens could contact us beyond Earth. From a few subtle radio signals to alien monsters bombing the White House, science fiction is replete with depictions of aliens making contact with mere mortals. While some of those depictions are far-fetched, it turns out that scientists have spent countless hours thinking about just how extraterrestrial civilizations could contact humans. Some of their ideas are nearly as fantastical as Hollywood's wildest tales. From alien megastructures to miniature robots, here are some of the more radical ways little green men are likely to contact humans. 2. Mega construction artists' concept of one of the 2 gas giant planets discovered around different sun-like stars in the Beehive Cluster, a collection of about 1,000 tightly packed stars located about 550 light-years away from Earth. Of course, signs of intelligent life don't have to be tiny objects. They could also be really, really big ones. Some scientists have argued that alien megastructures could be like a giant "come here" sign pointing other civilizations to their presence, Grinspoon said. In fact, scientists recently kept their eye on the star KISSY 84628552, which dimmed and brightened mysteriously over the past several years. Some have argued that the star is surrounded by an alien megastructure that is occasionally blocking light from the star, though other explanations include a swarm of exoplanets or a planet-forming disk. 3. Laser pulses. Laser-driven shock compression of stishovite was used to study the melting temperature of silica deep inside the mantle of rocky exoplanets and the core of giant planets. Repetitive laser pulses could also be a sign of an alien race trying to get in contact with us, because, in theory, lasers could send signals or messages across vast distances, Grinspoon said. To find those laser pulses, researchers have zeroed in on extremely bright flashes of light, which are less likely to be caused by natural phenomena. So far, however, they've found no sign of alien signals. 4. Robot probes. Alien signals may not be traveling in electromagnetic waves at all. Instead, signs of intelligent life may be very small objects that advanced civilizations send out to explore the universe. Most of the solar system is still unexplored, so for all we know, there could be alien probes orbiting on the asteroid belt or somewhere on the surface of Mars, Grinspoon said. They could be quite miniature. Who knows what alien technology is capable of? They could be the size of golf balls. Finding these objects could rely on the same technology scientists could use to sample those regions, Grinspoon said. 5. Radio waves. The nonprofit Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, Institute's Allen Telescope Array in California, has been listening for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. So far, no aliens have tried to get in touch. In a 1959 paper in the journal Nature, physicists Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi argued that scientists should scour radio waves for signs of extraterrestrial life. That's because radio waves travel relatively undisturbed through the universe, not being absorbed or re-emitted by celestial objects. Thus, the duo reasoned, any extraterrestrials hoping for their message to be relayed across long distances would logically resort to this medium, said David Grinspoon, an astrobiologist at the Planetary Science Institute. For decades, that's been the predominant way to search for aliens. For instance, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, has scoured telescope data for signal-like radio waves. Of course, the whole search rests on the assumption that aliens are thinking just like us, which may not be the case. Aliens don't necessarily read Nature magazine, Grinspoon told Live Science. 6. Stardance. This wide-field view shows a dark cloud where new stars are forming, along with a cluster of brilliant stars that have already burst out of their dusty stellar nursery. This cloud is known as Lupus 3, and it lies about 600 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Scorpius. Others have proposed that highly advanced civilizations could be advanced astro-engineers, moving stars into bizarre or highly geometric alignments that are unlikely to occur by chance, Grinspoon said. They could construct something that would be visible from a huge distance across the galaxy, or even from another galaxy, that would be obviously artificial, Grinspoon said. Nobody's seen anything like that. Others might actually harness star power to create messages. For instance, if aliens could spin small and extremely dense stars called neutron stars in just the right way, they could make these stars emit light as a kind of flashing beacon, Grinspoon said. In fact, when neutron stars were discovered, scientists thought they might be messages from little green men. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.